Okay.
Once again, for the guys that want y'all me want you hold me like a kiss, baby. I make your breast stand up, I make your arms swing. My girl just give me, 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 give
Okay, palakpakan naman po natin si Grace at si Greggy. Okay, dahil dyan magpapaalam na po sila. Babalik na sila sa McDonald's stand. Okay, sabay-sabay po tayo magbabay kay Grace and Greggy. Okay, thank you Grace and Greggy. Okay po. Okay po, so gusto na po daw magpa-picture sa photo booth. Naka-open po yung photo booth natin. And enjoy eating po ang